Every year, measuring and monitoring water consumption becomes more important globally. Clark Water Meters continues to develop metering solutions. Our single-jet composite water meters, the CLXCP series, has proven success for popular applications such as batching water for beverage machines, totalizing water consumption in filter skids, submetering, and monitoring water usage in steam cooking or condensate return lines. The CLXCP single-jet meters are compact, at slightly over 5 inches in length, made with rugged glass reinforced thermoplastic, and produced in an ISO 9001 approved facility. These precision, long-lasting meters have an accuracy rating of 1.5% of full scale and normal flow range of 1 to 22 gallons per minute. The meters ship with the necessary nuts and tailpieces and optionally offered with reed switch outputs. For metering applications that require higher flow rates and improved accuracy, Clark Water Meters can offer multi-jet meters using our MJ and MJP series. For more information on Clark Water Meters, contact Clark Solutions. Call 855-677-1048. Visit our website for live chat at clarksol.com or send us an email at sales@clarksol.com.